Hello and welcome back. The last topic in the existing problem, and that is also a new topic. Find out shutdown point if the shutdown cost is rupees 40,000. Normally the point of shutdown point is considered under the chapter decision making in short term or decisions involving alternative choices or variable cost analysis for short term, etc., etc. Various titles are there for the same chapter. But I personally believe that since this point is more or less equivalent to the point of break-even point, this should be at least once considered or taught or studied whenever we study the chapter of marginal costing or break-even analysis. Now, first of all, what do we mean by the shutdown point? Shutdown point means the level of sales at which the firm can think about suspending or shutting down the factory for a short term, say 1 year or so. Because whenever there is a period of continuous depression, the sales goes down periodically, then at what level of sales the company should consider that now we can shut down, or the shutdown of the unit for a short term can be, say, in benefit of the company or can save from the larger losses. And the shutdown cost is, even if the production unit or business unit is shut down for a short period, this much fixed cost will continue to incur. That is called shutdown cost. So if in this case fixed cost is 1,20,000, shutdown cost 40,000, that means out of 1,20,000, this much amount of rupees 40,000 will continue even if the company suspends or shut down the unit for a short period or say for 1 year. That is unavoidable fixed cost. The formula of shutdown point is like the formula of break-even point. Fixed cost minus shutdown cost, upon contribution per unit. Fixed cost is 1,20,000 minus shutdown cost is 40,000 upon contribution is selling price minus variable cost 8. So ultimately it comes to rupees 80,000 divided by rupees 8 per unit. So the shutdown point comes to 10,000 units. When the sales are continuously decreasing, after continuous decrease, whenever the sales level reaches 10,000 units in the reverse order, the company can consider shutdown for a short period as one of the alternatives. The revenue will be 10,000 into rupees 20, rupees 2 lakh. That's it. Thank you very much.